If you've ever searched for a job, there's a high chance you've already used or heard about Indeed.com. And according to SimilarWeb.com, its total visits in the last month are a lot higher than 1 billion. Yes, in the United States, in the category of jobs and employment, it is ranked as 25th, and it's looking to stay there. And it does pretty good ranked globally. And there is a reason why so many people every day use Indeed.com. It's very, very convenient. So in this video, we'll be diving deep into how you can use Indeed to find out a job. So keep watching till the end, and let's get started. Now, Indeed.com is an easy-to-use platform, and it saves your time from browsing and scrolling through thousands and thousands of job listings without finding something that would suit you even a little bit, because it provides you with tools and filters to sort them out and find something that works best for you. Now, this is Indeed.com. You go to Home tab. This is where you type in a job title, keywords, or company. It also allows you to search by company. You have entry-level, general labor, hiring immediately. But let's say I'm looking to work from home. This is where you type in your location. And I'm going to type in remote over 200,000 job listings. Now, just a quick note here. If you're looking for employment as soon as possible, watch out for these urgently hiring listings because they are understaffed and they won't be very picky about their applicants. They won't look for the most experienced one or the most educated one because they are understaffed and are urgently hiring. So this increases your chance of landing that job opportunity to a great extent. Okay, so we have everything from sales representatives, customer call center, commercial real estate, quality auditor, database developer, practice manager. As I said, over 200,000 jobs listed. And of course, you don't have the time to go through all of these and look for something that would suit you. So these are all the filters and tools you need to find something that will suit you best. First filter is date posted. You have last 24 hours, last 3 days, last 7 days, and last 14 days. And I would always recommend to go for listings posted in the last 24 hours. What that does, it makes you certain that the job opening is still active, because some employers forget to close it after they hire someone. So let's click last 24 hours. And just by using this filter, we got from 200,000 to 2,487 jobs. Next filter is what kind of a remote position you are searching for. Is it just remote or hybrid? I'm going to click on remote, and next up is salary estimate. Now this is individual for everyone. You are the only one who can determine how much your time is worth and what your actual old financial needs and goals are, so be very straightforward with it. Of course, it's completely normal that there are more jobs listed here than here. More money you're shooting at, the less opportunities out there. I'm going to go for $120K. As you can see, that narrowed my search to 57. And this is the employment type filter. Basically, here you have everything from full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, and internship. But for now, we only have full-time. It's because we've applied some filters and wanted to get to something specific. And just like that, from over 200,000 jobs listed just by using 4 filters, I got to 13 jobs. Everything from an oncology specialist, principal engineer, marketing executive, chief financial officer, and all that. And if I go on and use these filters, the number of jobs listed is going to be smaller and smaller, and I'm going to be closer to finding that best option for myself. You have encouraged to apply, residency requirement, location, company. You can also search by company, posted by experience level, senior level, or entry level, and education with associated degree, bachelor's degree, and master's degree. Now, some of these employers are very, very specific about their applicants and the candidates they're looking for that specific position. Some of them look for people who are well experienced in the field, some not. Some are looking for specific education, some not. But if you apply to a job only with your name and surname, and let's say address, you are not getting anywhere because you will get disregarded right away and employers won't give you a second look. Why? Because they don't know anything about you. So in order for employers to give you a longer look, you can upload your resume by simply clicking here. And after you've signed up with your Google account, or Apple Indeed gives you a chance to upload your resume. In case you already have done a CV in a PDF file, or you can build an Indeed resume. First up is what's your name? Would you like to add a phone number to your resume? Now this is up to you. You can also hide or show your number on Indeed, but what's the point in hiding it? Because showing it makes you available to potential employers because you're reachable. Now this is where you put in where you're located. This will help match you with nearby jobs. And next up is adding your work experience, adding your education. And it is an individual process for every one of us. But spending her time with this Indeed resume walkthrough that will lead you to a detailed resume will help you land that job opportunity faster, because it will tell employers everything they want to know about you in order to get you hired. Another great option and tool that Indeed offers is Find Salaries. So when you click on that, you have the chance to explore which careers have the highest job satisfaction, best salaries, and more. This is where you choose your industry. Everything from administrative and business operations, healthcare, legal, media, arts and design, protective and security, technology, transportation, etc. Or you can just search by job title or skills, benefits, certifications, or any kind of keyword. And this is where you type in your location. Indeed also lists a 4 of in-demand careers. Here we have machine learning engineer, full stack developer, dental hygienist, and realtor. And this is based on over 1 million job postings. Let's click on Learn More for Realtor. And this gives you the average base salaries by years of experience in the United States. Also top companies for realtors in the United States and highest paying cities for realtors near United States. It also shows you a map of where do realtors earn more in the US. And you can also compare salaries for realtors in different locations. It also gives you the most common benefits for realtors such as dental insurance, health insurance, vision insurance, paid time off, flexible schedule, and based on FIDE 71 ratings, the salary satisfaction is 73%. Indeed gives you all this information for every other field, industry, or company you search for. And if you click on skills, for example, they give you a description on how to become a realtor. The typical qualifications, skills employers are looking for career progression. And down here, when you scroll down, you can see the common questions about career advices for a realtor. What's the difference between a real estate agent and a realtor? Is being a realtor hard? Is it necessary to join National Association of Realtors to be a realtor, and other frequently asked questions? And as I said earlier, if you search for any kind of career, any kind of job title, any kind of field company, they will give you this overview, the skills required to do so, average salary jobs, listed, companies hiring, questions that are frequently asked about it, and articles on it. So it's very, very useful if you have something specific you're searching for. But also another very useful and very cool feature, Indeed.com allows you is company reviews. Click on that. You can browse by industry. And here you have popular companies listed, for example Domino's, based on over 36,000 reviews by their ex or current employers. They have a rating of 3 out of 5 stars. And you can also compare companies. So let's just, for example, click on Domino's. Now work well-being results are based on 24,000 responses to Indeed's work well-being survey. You can find anything you want to know about the company jobs listed, jobs by job title, jobs by location, salaries, benefits. And here you can see the rating overview. And here are the reviews by real people, real employers. So you don't have to go from person to person if you're interested in working for a specific company. Some rated Domino's with 3 stars, some with 5, some with 1. Now gone are the days when employers and companies could act to employers the way they wanted and treat them however badly they wanted. This is a whole new responsibility because on Indeed.com, they make you suffer the consequences of being a bad employer, and they make you take account for what you do with your employers. So this is truly a great feature for anyone looking for a job. All these options over here give you an idea on why Indeed is so popular. It has so much helpful information that can help anyone land that job opportunity of their dreams. So I believe that's pretty much it for this video. That's how you can make your research to get into a good job. So if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.